Twain drive installation started. Double-click the installation package. Select the language and click OK. Click Next. Click I agree. After selecting the installation path, click Next. Click Install to start the installation. Click Finish and wait for a while. Click Cancel. Twain drive installation completed. Double-click Kodak Dental icon to open Kodak Dental software. Click Patient New in the main interface to create or select a patient. Click Patient Imaging in the main interface to enter the working interface. When using Twain Drive for the first time, you need to add Twain Drive settings. Click File, Twain, select Source. In the menu bar, to enter the Select Source window, select the corresponding Twain drive and click Select. Click File, Twain, Acquire in the menu bar to start Twain Drive. When using the sensor for the first time, if the sensor is not calibrated, it needs to be calibrated first. Click the icon to enter the manual calibration window. Click Exposure, the software will display ready, and the X-ray machine will expose towards the sensor with aluminum plate. After the image appears, continue the next exposure until all 8 images are collected. After 8 images appear, click Calibrate to complete the calibration. After manual correction, software matching setting is required. Click the icon to enter the setting window. Select Kodak Dental and click Edit. Select Enable and click Save to close the setting window. Back to the main interface, click the blue icon after confirming the shooting object. After the software appears ready, the X-ray machine starts to expose. After acquisition, the software will automatically upload the image to Kodak Dental. Operation completed.